Bajaj Auto. Better technology, better bikes. Presenting the all-new Pulsar 200 NS with aggressive street fighter looks. Powered by a liquid-cooled 4-valve triple-spark engine, spitting out 23.5 horses of power. Cradled in a state-of-the-art perimeter frame, Nitrox gas-charged monoshocks, centrally placed underbelly exhaust, 6-speed gears, and pedal disc brakes. This Pulsar has everything you could ask for from a sports bike. In a 4-valve triple-spark engine, there are 2 inlet valves, 2 outlet valves and 3 spark plugs. The 2 inlet valves allow the air-fuel mixture to flow freely into the combustion chamber, and the 2 outlet valves allow the exhaust gases to be released smoothly. This helps the engine breathe easily, even at high RPMs. The unique feature in the Pulsar 200 NS is the triple spark technology. Packing in 4 valves and 3 spark plugs within the tight combustion chamber is no mean feat. This clearly highlights the engineering excellence of the Bajaj R&D team. The master plug takes the center place, while the 2 slave plugs are positioned across the lateral axis of the engine head. This configuration helps in delaying the ignition timing by almost 15 degrees TDC, yet resulting in optimal combustion. As you can see, in spite of 15-degree later ignition timing in the triple spark system, the combustion ends in advance of the others. What's more, the combustion in the triple spark technology is 27% faster than the twin spark and 50% faster than the single spark technology. This results in more power and even better fuel efficiency. The ignition of the 3 spark plugs is controlled electronically by the ECU based on the load, engine RPM and engine temperature. The ECU uses different ignition maps for different riding conditions to ensure that the flame propagation in the combustion chamber is optimal. This helps to achieve more power, better fuel efficiency, lesser emissions, and overall smooth functioning of the engine.